The development of any capital market goes a long way to creating an enabling environment for the development of new capital market products. Welcome to another edition of the Nigerian Investor. Last week we talked about the launch of iTrade platform by Morgan Capital, its cost effectiveness and real-time ability. Today we want to talk on development in the market in the context of Nigerian Capital Market Service Report. The June 2014 edition of the Nigerian Capital Market Service Report, authored by the Share Support Service Unit, producers of the Nigerian Investor, a weekly program that runs on www.webtvng.com, has been published. This latest publication highlights the investors' protection effort of the unit with the investors' complaint summary update, while a few new trading platforms and innovations were recorded in this June edition. Platforms like Morgan Capital iTrade debuted, while Banco eTrade is expected to do an official launch at the Nigeria Stock Exchange on 17 July 2014. Also, WSTC Financial Service announced the launch of its equity-backed liquidity service, which allows clients not to necessarily dispose their valuable assets in order to temporarily meet liquidity needs. Other updates in the service report include listing and delistings, ASeM market updates, market compliance in relation to latest audited and quarterly results, AGMs and registrars' website review. To read the full Nigerian Capital Market Service report, visit www.theanalystng.com and search for Service Delivery Propelled by Innovations in the NCM June 2014 SSS report. The following are upcoming AGMs: 7up Bottling Company PLC on the 24th of September 2014, Smart Product PLC on the 30th of July 2014, Law Union and Rock Insurance PLC on the 19th of August 2014, University Press PLC on the 25th of September 2014. On corporate actions, the following company has declared dividends. 7up Bottling Company PLC declared £2.50 with the closure date set for 14 July 2014. Smart Product PLC declared 22.50 with the closure date set for 3rd July 2014. University Press PLC declared 35 with closure date set for September 2014. On announcement in the market, outcomes of Ecobank AGM. At the annual general meetings of Ecobank Transnational Incorporated, held at the group's headquarters in Lomé, Togo, all the ordinary resolutions were duly passed. This includes the appointment of Mr. Emmanuel Kazobo as the group's new chairman. An accountant by training, Mr. Emmanuel Kazobo has over 35 years' experience of international business management and corporate advisory role in both the private and public sector, having spent much of his career with Deloitte in West and Central Africa. In accordance with the Governance Action Plan approved at Ecobank's general meetings in March this year, there has been a significant reorganization of the group's board of directors. Mrs. Sena Agbaisa Kwasi, Ebotin, Azad Jabri and Sifon Sekulo has retired as directors. The new board comprises 3 executive directors: Group CEO Mr. Albert Essien, Deputy Group CEO and Group COO Mrs. Evelyn Taldauda and Mrs. Lauren Dorego, Executive Director of Finance, and 9 non-executive directors. In addition to the group chairman, the non-executive directors include Mr. Andre Siaka, representing shareholders in CEMAC, Dr. Segun Akinjuwon Akinolugbade, representing Nigerian and Anglophone minority shareholders, Mr. Andre Bobo Bayala, representing UEMOA and Francophone minority shareholders, Mr. Teimanti, representing WAMZ, Mr. Kadita Shibaka, representing the IFC, Mr. Uwet Adegboyega Benson, representing AMCON, Mr. Bashir Maman Ifu, representing EBID, and Dr. Daniel Majila, representing the Public Investment Corporation PIC. MPF Microfinance Banks appoints Akinwumi Mohammed as Managing Director. MPF Microfinance Bank PLC has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange of the appointment of Mr. Akinwumi Mohammed Lawal as the substantive Managing Director of the bank. It also announced the appointment of Mr. Jude Shukuloka Ohanehi as Executive Director of the bank with effect from the date of its last annual general meeting held on June 26, 2014. BOC Gas extends the retiring date of Mr. J. Idowu as Managing Director. BOC Gas Nigeria PLC has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange that at the meeting of the directors of the company held on Wednesday, June 25, 2014, it was resolved that the exit date for Mr. J. Idowu, the retiring Managing Director, be extended to July 31, 2014. The extension is to allow time to complete immigration formality for his replacement, who is coming from Zambia. On the watchdog segment, Unity Bank announces extension of offer period to July 9, 2014. The Nigerian Stock Exchange reiterated that Unity Bank PLC has extended its right issue of 38,446,689,710 ordinary shares of 50 kobo each at 50 kobo per share and private placement of 40 billion ordinary shares of 50 kobo each at 50 kobo per share. Unity Bank PLC notified the exchange that the Securities and Exchange Commission has approved the extension of its rights issue offer. The offer will now close on Wednesday, July 9, 2014. That's all we have for you on this edition of the Nigerian Investor. Until I come your way again next week, I remain your regular anchor. Bye for now.